There's concern for young people tonight as COVID cases in the younger age group continues to climb. News 8's John Dommel spoke with a pair of West Michigan doctors about this trend and what may be to blame. John?
Well, Emily, the positivity rates in kids 19 and under is driving this recent surge in cases. And it's a reminder that everyone needs to remain vigilant when it comes to COVID.
In Ottawa County, we've had about a four-fold increase in pediatric cases over the last month in ages 0 to 19.
About 43% of Ottawa County has received at least one COVID vaccine shot. That's according to state data. And those 19 and under are currently responsible for some of the highest positivity rates in the county.
I know for Easter, I think a lot of people got together with their older grandparents and things who they wouldn't have gotten together with, but now that they're vaccinated, they're gathering, but all those cousins and friends that are coming along to those family outings are not vaccinated.
Much of the blame is also being pinned on indoor sports and pandemic fatigue, but everyone is susceptible to the same consequences.
Any symptoms that adults can have with COVID-19, children can absolutely have.
Kids are capable of passing it to each other, and it's not uncommon for them to end up in the emergency room.
Many of the patients who that are admitted, I would say maybe 25 to 50%, we don't really have the exact numbers yet, do need some level of ICU care.
As we've seen many times before, case counts do fluctuate, and there's hope that this most recent surge is one of the last.
As you know, people come back from spring break, as more and more people get vaccinated, as more of that play and that time indoors can become more outdoor time, that you'll see these case positivity rates start to go down again.
And Dr. Veldhuis says that it's fine to keep hanging out with your close family, but to limit your friend circles until more people are able to get vaccinated. And his guess is that children will be eligible before the start of this next school year. Live in the studio, John Dommel, News 8.